Yes, this is how nursing is going these days. Yes, he does have a little rash on his little cheek. It's going away. I think it was from the shots. But we're still ticklish. We're still ticklish on our belly. Yes, we are. Yes, yes. You're going to reach up and get it. One more giggle, give us one more giggle, give us one more giggle. Give us one more giggle. Oh, am I going to make you throw up instead? Sorry, yes, I almost did, didn't I? All right. Love you guys. Bye. Okay, bye. Into the mouth we go. Oh, bye. No, come back. Bye. Oh, sorry, I thought I stopped it. Did you want to eat that, don't you? Bye. Oh, let me see. Shoot, stop.